means topic number 9, trade. Last period we will learn about the trades and the type of trades. Then today we are going to learn about the balance of trade. Here, the difference between import and export value of the country in specific period is called as the balance of trade. Page number 70. Balance of trade. What is the regulation of balance of trade? The difference between import and export value of country. That means you tell me the regulation of import. So, you present the last grade. Import and export. You tell me the definition of import and export. Yes? Then export and import are the basic process, and when the country buy those goods or services, this is called as the import. And when the country produce excess good or service, म्हणजे प्रोवाइड करणारा कोण असतो? एक्सपोर्ट. आणि डिमांड करणारा कोण असतो? इम्पोर्ट. Next point is the balance of trade. Next is the balance of trade. That means the difference between import and export. The difference between this import and export value of country specific period is called as the balance of trade. That means the difference between import value and export value. This is called as the balance of trade. Following are the types of the balance of trade. When the value of import is more than the value of export, it is called as the unfavorable balance of trade. That means the value of import. The value of import is more than export. This is known as the unfavorable balance of trade. That means the value of import is more than export. This trade is also known as the unfavorable balance of trade. Then next, that is here on the diagram. Here is the trade. That means here is the import. Import is less than export. Export. That means the value of export, when the value of import is more than value of export. That means the value of import is more than export. This is known as the unfavorable balance of trade. Second type, when the value of export is more than value of import. That means the value of export is more than import. This is known as the favorable balance of trade. Favorable balance of trade. That means two types of balance of trade. First is the unfavorable balance of trade. Second is the favorable balance of trade. The value of import is more than export. This is known as the unfavorable balance of trade. But the value of export is more than import. This is known as the favorable balance of trade. And last, where the value of export and import are almost the same. That means the value of import and the value of export is same. This is known as the balance of trade. This is known as the balance of trade. That means three types of balance of trade. First is unfavorable balance of trade. Second, favorable balance of trade. And third, balance of trade. Understand three types of trade. Then international trade organization. What is the international trade organization? Carrying out trade at international level is more complex process than the domestic trade. Trade takes place between two or more nations. Factors like economy of the country, government policies, market, law, judicial system, currency, language, etc. influence the trade. The political relationship between two countries as influence the trade between them. Sometimes the obstacle in way of trading affect the mutual relationship adversely. To avoid this, international economic and the trade organization came up the smoother and the justice between country of the different economies.